then the explosion, the ensuing explosion was just incredible. I'm sure everyone up there in the grandstand probably felt the heat from that, because it just shows you how violent these cars can be. The big injector hat hanging off to the side, that is not the way he would have wanted to start things here.
That might be it, guys. Obviously going to have a track clean up, so yeah, I'm going to be here next weekend for the Nostalgia Drags. Sorry, I didn't get a lot of footage. I've been experimenting with the microphone, the remote microphone, so hopefully it worked. I won't know until I get home and I download it, so yeah, still a big crowd.
Qualifying session number 2 later on.
So there's a couple of things that
That's some lawnmower racing. But yeah, the car blew the injector hat off, so I dare say that it's done some damage to the motor, and would have probably all down the track, I guess. And that always takes time to clean up. So anyway, stay tuned for next weekend, Nostalgia Drags. I might just keep videoing a little bit more as we go through the pits. But yeah, nice day, absolutely amazing day out here at the Bend. We're very lucky we had that Sam Shaheen in South Australia with his on the runs when you had him. Now, he's a motorsport guy, same as Yasser. They're both motorsport guys through and through, so to give us this beautiful complex here, I'm pretty sure it's actually been voted the best complex in the world, so there's a poster in the actual auditorium. So yeah, good on them, and I really appreciate it. You're always going to get the whingers on Facebook, you know, like having the band, you know, oh, they should do this, they should do that. Well, you know, put $100 million of your own money into it, and yeah, you can whinge. But you know, they were all whinging that we didn't have a drag strip. Now we got one, they're still whinging. I don't get it. But I think it's amazing. It really is amazing. So, hey. So they're all attacking that. Got some more gear here. What have we got here? I don't know if we're allowed in there. Oh, maybe. So there, they all got their own jobs to do. They're all pulling panels off and pulling parts off, and someone will be on the heads and someone will be on the sump. Yeah. We've got a bit of footage of Dave. I don't know what happened to Lisa. I didn't see Lisa's car out there today. Yeah, how many dollars it is? Just his truck would be worth more than my house. Oh yeah, top door seamers. Yeah. Congratulations on your 9 seconds, Lise. I've seen it on Facebook. So, yeah, I bet you were.
I certainly were.
And I saw it, I thought, yay! Good on you. How are you going today?
Well, good, just starting day today. I was supposed to race yesterday, but then the weather was not playing.
Oh, really? Oh, at least you're getting runs this time.
Yeah.
Car's going good, Dave?
Yeah, PB'd it twice today.
Excellent, excellent.
So we might even do it, hopefully when the weather gets a bit cooler tonight, we might pull a 720.
Yeah, nice. That's cool.
The plan, fingers crossed.
Yeah.
Paving, so.
Absolutely. Anyway, I'll keep moving, guys. Good to see you. All the best. Yeah, go have a look at Bob's car quickly. Got it all covered up, but yeah. So yeah, that was Lisa Sherry and Dave Foster, local Murray Bridgians. And Lisa's she's still got that sticker on the back. Good on her. There you go. Rust in Peace Garage. There you go. That's cool. It's still got that on me. So yeah. So yeah, Lisa got into the 9-second bracket, which was good for her. She works hard for it. So I think her dad made her a new motor, so that's a good thing. Yeah, anyway, I'm just about done for the day, guys. I think I might head off. And yeah, stay tuned for next weekend. That's one I'll be hanging around for all day for, Nostalgia's. So hopefully they'll have a lot of, have plenty of cars. So I'm sort of expecting slingshot dragsters, gases, all that sort of jazz, so that'll be really cool. And yeah, I can't wait. So everyone's cooking barbecues here. Smells right. Anyway, guys, everyone stay safe, stay tuned. I'll be going over this chef. Hang on, before I go, I'll show you this chef. It's pretty tough, I reckon. It's a big car to get off the line, though. Yeah, that's cool. Yeah, such a big car to get off the line, though. I guess it's still been gutted. That's cool, bloody nice. Yeah. Alright guys, stay tuned, stay safe. Thanks for your support. Like and share if you can. I want more. I'm really happy with my subscribers. But you always hope for a few more, so yeah, it's slowly picking up. Considering I think, well, when was it? A year or so ago I only had like 4 subscribers. I've now got 324, something like that. Anyway guys, stay tuned. Catch you later.